What if prayer wasn't meant to make you comfortable, but to confront you? Before you ever ask for daily bread, before you whisper a single request, Jesus begins with 2 words that undo everything: our Father. He doesn't start with need, he starts with identity. Not my Father, not your Father, but our Father. That one word, our, crushes isolation, pride, and self-made religion. It calls you out of your private kingdom and into a family that costs you something. Our dismantles every wall we've built. Not white father or black father, not rich father or poor father, not Republican, Democrat, ANC, or DA father, not Irish or Italian, not from New York, Salento, or Los Angeles. Our Father. He belongs to no tribe, no system, no party, only to the sons and daughters who bow before him. And then comes the word that terrifies and comforts all at once: Father. To say it is to surrender. To say it is to renounce autonomy. To say it is to confess, I am not my own. You cannot hallow his name and protect your own reputation. You cannot call him Father and still serve the idols of status, platform, or control. When you say Father, you're saying your word above my will, your holiness above my hustle. And he is near, but never casual. Heaven is my throne, says the Lord. The ground beneath your knees is holy, not because of your posture, but because of the one who listens. If you can speak his name without trembling, you've forgotten who you're addressing. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Jesus didn't give us a formula to repeat. He gave us a formation to become. Every word shapes you. The identity. You belong. Through the Son. Community. You pray as part of his body. Reverence. You honor the King who reigns above all. Mission. You live so that his name, not yours, is hallowed. This prayer isn't sentimental, it's revolutionary. It pulls you from self to surrender, from comfort to calling, from isolation to family. To pray it is to live it. To live it is to lose everything that's false. And in losing, find that he was all you needed. Our Father. Not a comfort phrase, but a kingdom declaration. When you pray it, you are renouncing pride, division, and self-rule. You are joining the cry of eternity. Hallowed be your name. So before you ask for daily bread, ask this: who is the God I'm praying to? And who else has the right to call him Father with me? Because if you truly mean our Father, then everything about you and everyone you've refused to love is about to change. The hustle is holy only when it's fully surrendered onto our Father. This is The Hustle is Holy.